Sometimes Windows users encounter strange issue with their keyboard, such as certain key like the escape key, shift key, or others not working on their laptop or desktop. If you are facing the same issue, then this video is for you. And here are some simple fixes, so watch the video till the end so that you won't miss out. First, open search bar and select the device manager. Here, you'll find multiple options for many devices. From here, expand the keyboard section. Right-click on your keyboard and select Update Driver and click on Search Automatically for Drivers. This will search for the latest driver for your keyboard and install it, which might fix the issue for you. Alternatively, use a tool like Advanced Driver Update. After installing the software, click Scan Now to find outdated drivers, including your keyboard driver, and click Update All to update them. Next step is to enable Task Services Framework. Go to the search bar and search for Task Schedule and open it. In the left panel, expand Task Scheduler library, then go to Microsoft, and finally Windows. Scroll down to find the Task Services Framework, and in the right panel, click on Run, then restart your computer. This step should help resolve the issue with your keyboard. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.